Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. We're continuing with the zoological theme with different kinds of animals today. So, for my first song, a movie called Ab Dilli Dur Nahi. It came out in the late 50s, 57, I think. The story was that of a young child, a young boy. His father has been falsely accused of a crime and he's been imprisoned. So this boy is planning on walking all the way to Delhi to get a pardon from the Prime Minister himself. At that time, it was Jawaharlal Nehru. So the whole story is of this child somehow finding his way to go to Delhi. On the way, he meets various characters. So there are a lot of character actors in the movie. You have Yaqub, you have Jagdeep, you have Motilal, Sulochana. It's a very interesting premise, and the movie itself is quite entertaining. The music is by N. Datta, with Shailendra Ji and Hasrat Jaipuri writing the lyrics. And the song has been picturized on this young child, played by actor Romi, and Yaqub, who is entertaining this young boy along the way, on their way to Delhi. And this song has been written by Hasrat Jaipuri, sung by Muhammad Rafi in the most incredible way. So the song has descriptions of various animals coming and, doing tricks and so on. And they actually show these animals that come and do these things. So from Ab Dilli Dur Nahi, Chun Chun Karti Aayi Chidiya.
चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया दाल का दाना लाई चिड़िया मोर भी आया कौवा भी आया चूहा भी आया बंदर भी आया चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया दाल का दाना लाई चिड़िया मोर भी आया कौवा भी आया चूहा भी आया बंदर भी आया चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया भूख लगी तो चिड़िया रानी मूंग की दाल पकाएगी अरे भूख लगी तो चिड़िया रानी मूंग की दाल पकाएगी दाल पकाएगी कौवा रोटी लाएगा लाके तुझे खिलाएगा मोर भी आया कौवा भी आया चूहा भी आया बंदर भी आया चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया.
Jai Chittor. This movie came out in the early 60s, starring Nirupa Roy and Jairaj. It was the story of Rana Pratap Singh. He was one of the most famous of the Rajputs who defied Mughal Emperor Akbar. Akbar wanted all of Hindustan under one rule, the Mughal rule, obviously, and the Rajputs were very, very much against this, and Rana Pratap being the most famous of them all. He met Akbar in battle at the very famous battle of Haldi Ghati, and he lost. Rana Pratap had a horse that he was very attached to. Chetak was his name. And he's very famous in history as well, because this horse actually got him out of the battle safely, but he lost his own life. The song is where Nirupa Roy, who plays Rana Pratap's wife, she is, doing the aarti to her husband before he leaves for battle. And then she sings this song. It's a rallying cry for both her husband and the horse. Lataji has sung this song very beautifully. It's a very... there's a plea as well as, a kind of last cheer kind of a attitude to it. S.N. Tripathi's music with Pandit Bharat Vyas's lyrics. So from Jai Chittor, O Pavan Veg se udne wale ghode.
उड़ने वाले घोड़े
Normally, for a Indian movie to be a hit movie, it takes a lot of glamorous young stars and so on. It's never a movie that is based on older people. However, this movie that I'm going to talk about, Mem Didi, it was Rishikesh Das' third movie as an independent director, his first being Musafir, and for that he used Bimal Das' Crew. Then his second movie as an independent director was Anadi. So Raj Kapoor was sort of overseeing everything. This was where he totally broke free of all these mentors and so on and directed this movie. It is a brilliant movie. He has cast 3 older stars in it, and the love pair, so to speak, are 2 incredibly young, inexperienced actors, Tanuja and Casey Mehra, who sort of kind of look like Amir Khan. He's actually a good looking guy. They are kind of incidental in the movie. The 3 older people are the key actors, or characters, I should say, in the movie. You have Jayant and David Abraham playing the dadas of this mohalla. They're benevolent, but dadas nonetheless. And they are kind of, handling everything in that mohalla and basically just lording it over everyone. All of this changes when the feisty Rosie comes and moves into this mohalla. It's played by the absolutely wonderful Lalita Pawar. And they affectionately call her Mem Didi. And she shows that Didis have more power than the Dadas. And the interactions that you see between these 3 people, David, Jayant, and Lalita Pawar, are fantastic. Rishikesh Mukherjee had a fantastic sense of humor. And so all these little encounters they have their little fights, but they're also quite comic. And there are sentimental moments which Lalita Pawar had this power of somehow keeping a very wry sense of humor even in these sentimental moments and never devolving into some maudlin, self-pitying kind of a mess. This song is picturized on Tanuja. She plays the foster daughter of Mem Didi. Rishida was a huge dog lover. Most of his movies have dogs in some form or shape. So this song is actually where Tanuja sings this song to a stray dog in the mohalla. It's a very sweet song. Lataji has sung it. The music was Salilda with Shailendraji's lyrics. So the song from Mem Didi, Beta wow wow wow, mere kaan mat khao.
Beta wow wow wow, mere kaan mat khao. Beta wow wow wow, mere kaan mat khao. Suni ki katori mein chal ke doodh bhat khao. Beta wow wow wow, mere kaan mat khao. आज मैं छुई हुई लड़की बहू बनूंगी बड़े घर की। आज मैं छुई हुई लड़की बहू बनूंगी बड़े घर की। होगा तू दरबान मेरा रानी मैं रूप नगर की। बेटा वाओ वाओ वाओ, मेरे कान मत खाओ। सोने की कटोरी में चल के दूध मत खाओ। बेटा वाओ वाओ वाओ, मेरे कान मत खाओ। लंच डिनर पे हर दिन रहेगा आना जाना। लंच डिनर पे हर दिन रहेगा आना जाना। खाएंगे हम बिरयानी और तू बिस्कुट खाना।
Pooja Ke Phool. This was a movie with Mala Sinha, Dharmendra, and Nimmi acting as a blind girl. Ashok Kumar plays Mala Sinha's father. The whole movie is essentially Mala Sinha centered. Actually, it's amazing how many movies Mala Sinha is a very, very strong, and her role is like the center role of a movie. They all have acted very well. The story is where Dharmendra comes as a renter to Ashok Kumar's house and he falls in love with the daughter, and everyone, is like happy about this relationship. They're all on board with them getting married. However, Dharmendra is responsible for his younger sister. When he goes back to the village to get her married, the groom's family insist on him marrying their daughter who is blind. Otherwise, they say the whole marriage is off. So he ends up, sacrificing his love and getting married to this girl just so he could protect his sister's marriage. He comes back and, and then the whole movie evolves. The music for the movie was by Madan Mohan with Rajendra Krishan writing the lyrics. There is an absolutely exquisite Lataji solo in it. It's beautiful. Meri aankhon se koi neend liye jata hai. Listen to it if you can. The movie itself, I don't know that I would recommend you watch it. It's kind of watchable, but nothing to write home about, to be honest. This song that I want to share today is where the blind girl, played by Nimi, is singing to her cat, and she is asking her cat to describe what her future groom looks like. So from Pooja Ke Phool, Meow Meow Meri Sakhi.
मियाओ मियाओ मेरी सखी अच्छी अच्छी मेरी सखी मियाओ मियाओ मेरी सखी अच्छी अच्छी मेरी सखी बोल मेरे बलमा की सूरत है कैसी बोल मेरे बलमा की सूरत है कैसी मियाओ मियाओ मेरी सखी अच्छी अच्छी मेरी सखी तो पहचान लिया है बड़ा प्यार भरा आँख जिससे न हटे आँख भी ऐसी है क्या दिल तो पहचान लिया है बड़ा प्यार भरा आँख जिससे न हटे आँख भी ऐसी है क्या चाल कैसी है बता होगी दरिया की तरह चाल कैसी है बता दरिया की तरह होठ होंगे ऐसे जैसे पंखड़ी गुलाब की मियाओ 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 मेरी सखी अच्छी अच्छी मेरी सखी बोल मेरे बलमा की सूरत है कैसी बोल मेरे बलमा की सूरत है कैसी मियाओ मियाओ मेरी सखी अच्छी अच्छी मेरी सखी
Hathi Mere Saathi. This was, I think, released in 71. Rajesh Khanna, Tanuja in the lead. It was a remake of a Tamil movie. The southern director, Chinnappa Devar, our producer and director, he produced the movie. His brother, Tirumugam, directed the movie. Now, Rajesh Khanna was about to buy his very famous house, Ashirwad, from Rajendra Kumar. He needed money very quickly, a large amount of money very quickly. So he signed on to this movie without really looking at the script because the money was good. Afterwards, when he looked at the script, he realized he didn't like it at all. So he went over to Salim Javed and begged them to rewrite the script. They did, and Hathi Mere Saathi was a giant hit. In fact, Chinnappa Devar liked this new script so much that he remade the movie in Tamil with Sivaji Ganeshan, Nalla Neram. The movie is all about this young man who has initially just the elephants, and then he has a whole zoo, and so on and so forth. This song, it is where Rajesh Khanna is singing to his favorite elephant Ramu to tow along Tanuja's car, which is broken down. The music for the movie was Lakshmikant Pyarelal with Anand Bakshi. And Kishore Kumar has sung this particular song from Hathi Mere Sathi, Chal 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 Mere Sathi.
चल 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 मेरे साथी, ओ मेरे हाथी, चल ले चल खटारा खींच के, चल यार धक्का मार, बंद है मोटर कार, चल यार धक्का मार, चल 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 मेरे साथी, ओ मेरे हाथी, चल ले चल खटारा खींच के, चल यार धक्का मार, बंद है मोटर कार, चल यार धक्का मार, चल 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 मेरे साथी। सी नाजुक है वो मोटर में बैठी है जो, फूलों सी नाजुक है वो मोटर में बैठी है जो, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता चल उसको न तकलीफ हो, हाय हाय खा न जाए, हाय हाय खा न जाए उसकी नाजुक कमरिया बल, चल 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 मेरे साथी, ओ मेरे हाथी, चल ले चल खटारा खींच के, चल यार धक्का मार, बंद है मोटर कार, चल यार धक्का मार, चल 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 मेरे साथी।
Kumara Bap. This was a Mahmood Saab production. He starred in it as well. And the story essentially was that of a rickshawala who finds an abandoned child. He takes care of it. The child, he doesn't vaccinate it, and the child gets polio. And you know, the movie then unfolds, and the real parents come looking for their child, and you know, all of this stuff. He basically made this movie as a plea to the general population to get their children vaccinated against polio. His own son, Makhdoom Ali, or Maki Ali as he was popularly known, and he starred in this movie as well as the adopted son, he was affected by polio. And his legs were affected. He walked around with calipers and crutches and so on. So Mahmood Saab, this was a topic very dear to his heart, and he wanted to make sure no other child was afflicted by this horrible disease. The music for the movie was actually a musical debut for Rajesh Roshan. And Majroo Saab wrote the lyrics. And this song technically is not an animal song per se, but Mahmood Saab sings it in the movie. He's in his rickshaw and he's taking some customers along, and he says, "Main hu ghoda, ye hai gaadi." So I sort of took the liberty of putting this song in this category today, personally because I like the song. Kishore Kumar has sung the song from Kumara Bap, "Main hu ghoda, ye hai gaadi."
मैं हूँ घोड़ा ये है गाड़ी, मेरी रिक्शा सबसे निराली, हो ना गोरी है ना ये काली, हो घर तक पहुँचा देने वाली। मैं हूँ घोड़ा ये है गाड़ी, मेरी रिक्शा सबसे निराली, हो ना गोरी है ना ये काली, हो घर तक पहुँचा देने वाली। अरे सामने क्या देख रहे हैं, उन्हें पीछे से पॉकेट मार रहा है। ₹1 भाड़ा, पैसेंजर इतना जाड़ा, मला ना कोरे ना कोरे ना को, मला ना कोरे ना कोरे ना को। ओ दुबला पतला चलेगा, औड़ा तिरछा लेगा, साला हो या हो वो साली हो, जाने की आधी घरवाली। घर तक पहुंचा देने वाली।
Chashme Baddoor, one of my favorite movies. And I mean the 1981 release, not the new thing that came out, which is absolute nonsense. I'm sorry if I'm offending any of you, but it was a travesty. This movie, directed by Sai Paranjpe, probably is one of Bollywood's finest movies ever. So well made, so well directed, so well acted, so well scripted, so well edited. I can go on and on. Stories of three friends who are also roommates, and the shenanigans they get up to. Two of them almost ruin the romance that their third friend gets into. Farooq Sheikh and Deepti Nawal are the main leads, with Rakesh Bedi and Ravi Baswani playing the two friends, and Saeed Jaffrey, who plays the Panwala. You have Leela Mishra, who plays the grandmother, and other people. Awesome cast. And the music for the movie was by Raj Kamal, with Indu Jain writing the lyrics. This song, it starts off as a bandish that Deepti Nawal is learning in her music class. And then it sort of becomes a background thing as the two people fall in love and their love blossoms. The meaning of the song is that this beautiful horse is there at the door waiting to take her away with her beloved. Kali Ghodi Dwar Khadi, right? And it was sung by the great Jesudas and Hemanti Shukla. So from Chashme Baddoor, Kali Ghodi Dwar Khadi.
काली घोड़ी द्वार खड़ी खड़ी रे, काली घोड़ी द्वार खड़ी। गाओ।
काली घोड़ी द्वार खड़ी खड़ी रे, काली घोड़ी द्वार खड़ी।
मूंगों से मोरी मांग भरी,
मूंगों से मोरी मांग भरी।
बरजोरी सैया ले जावे,
बरजोरी सैया ले जावे।
चकित भई सगरी नगरी, काली घोड़ी द्वार खड़ी खड़ी रे, काली घोड़ी द्वार खड़ी। भीड़ के बीच अकेले मितवा,
भीड़ के बीच
अकेले मितवा, जंगल बीच महक गए फुलवा, सोने ठगवा बैया धरी, चकित भई सगरी नगरी, काली घोड़ी द्वार खड़ी खड़ी रे, काली घोड़ी द्वार खड़ी।
This last song for today is from a movie called Teri Meherbaniyan. It came out at 1985. Jackie Shroff, Poonam Dhillon in the lead. It was a remake of a Kannada movie called Taliya Bhagya, and it had the great Shankar Nag in it. The main star of the movie is this absolutely beautiful Doberman. And honestly, only thing worth watching in the whole movie. It was painful to sit through this movie. I'm so sorry. I love Jackie Shroff. I love Poonam Dhillon, but I cannot watch this movie. Or rather, I could not watch this movie. I have not rewatched it ever. Just once. More than enough. The music, Lakshmikant Pyarelal with S.H. Bihari writing the lyrics. And this song is essentially the title song. It's how this dog, the story was actually admirable It's a story of how this dog takes revenge on the people who've murdered its owner. And this plays through the title track. So from Teri Meherbaniya, Teri Meherbaniya.
तेरी मेहरबानियाँ तेरी कदरदानियाँ तेरी मेहरबानियाँ तेरी कदरदानियाँ कुर्बान तुझ पे मेरी कई जिंदगानियाँ तेरी मेहरबानियाँ तेरी कदरदानियाँ कुर्बान तुझ पे मेरी कई जिंदगानियाँ तेरी मेहरबानियाँ प्यार की कीमत इसने अदा की जब कभी होंगी बातें वफा की प्यार की कीमत किसने अदा की जब कभी होंगी बातें वफा की देगा मिसालें तेरी मेरी ज़माना सबकी जुबां पर होंगी अपनी ही कहानियाँ तेरी मेहरबानियाँ तेरी कदरदानियाँ कुर्बान तुझ पे मेरी कई जिंदगानियाँ तेरी मेहरबानियाँ
That's it for today, folks. Do give me your feedback. And those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. And for those of you who've not, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and also spread the word among your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.